I'm not seeing anything on the screen, so I don't know what the heck's going on with that. I don't know if it's because of the app or... I don't even know if it's recording, to be honest with you. This is the only place I could find to film anything because of the... There's nothing showing on the screen, so I don't know what the story is with that. So we'll figure it out here eventually. I don't have the speed turned up high enough to be doing that kind of stuff. There, I had to turn the speed up a little bit on that. It has 72% battery, but I can't see nothing on the screen, so I don't know what the story is. Oh well. No use flying it if I can't see what the hell I'm doing. Alright boys, till I can figure out this app or just wait for the other one, I will reserve judgment on it because it's not showing anything on the screen. And I don't know if there's some setting I'm not getting right or... Okay, well I just checked the card. It did record, but it's just not showing anything on the screen. And I don't know if it's because of this phone. This is an old HTC phone here, so I don't know. Maybe that has something to do with it. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, I'm not going to do it anymore because I can't see what the hell I'm doing, so I don't want to go up there and not be able to see anything but the drone. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later.